dog. Alright, alright, shut it down.
King 77. We're about to turn off the trap right here.
Okay, he's not in a good mood because he was on the top there and he fell.
Tell me when to hit it.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, hit it!
I'm gonna go left again.
Go, go. Oh God!
Oh, he got it! Got it! Oh, shit! Down. You ready? I'm gonna dive.
Oh, that sounded bad. That sounded bad.
Oh, okay.
Oh fuck, it's hard to get up. I'm gonna dive.
Oh, no more diving. They collapsed. Get up!
Dude, we're touching the floor now. Oh, it feels so bad. Hey, try to get it from the room.
My face planted.
Try to turn it on from here.
That's good.
Yeah. Wait, I don't turn it on yet.
Whoa, wait. Your shirt is glowing. I mean, your sweater is glow in the dark. The back thing. It becomes
The
blue.
bottom one?
Yeah, no, everything back.
Really?
Wait, all the blue things are back there.
Well, I went to Catalina for 3 days. Catalina Island. It was fun. Turn it on!
I'm in.
Turn it
I'm
on.
in. Turn it on. Turn it on. Look here.
Stay right here. But still turn it on.
On.
Yes.
I'm gonna fart.
Oh my God! Dude, hurry up and turn it on, cause that's.
Oh shoot! You guys
Hey, what are you trying to do?
I was trying to be your vlogger guy. I'm gonna go on top. Oh no!
You said you wanted to. Alright, so this is the plan. We're getting a jump.
What?
We're getting a jump. Up.
I can't get your other butt out.
Oh my God, that felt so weird.
He's man.
Alright, guys. That was an inside plating trampoline. Yep. That was part 2. Make sure to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. So, yeah, don't do that. Peace.